Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma yesterday said that a detailed presentation was given to the Cabinet on the roster system and all the Cabinet members were satisfied with the details presented. Speaking to media, Sangma said that the presentation was based on all facts and figures, looking at the reservation policy and complexities of roster system. The clear picture will come after the all-party meeting. Referring to the VPP stand on reviewing the reservation policy, the Chief Minister said that as of now, the discussion that the government has called for is on the roster system.
And all the cabinet colleagues were very satisfied after seeing the presentation. And the presentation was based on all facts and figures, looking at the reservation policy and looking at the complexities of roster system. And accordingly, as I said, a presentation was made. As of now, the discussion that we have called for is regarding the roster system. So we are sticking to the roster system as of now. So we want to clarify on that and decide on how we should move forward first.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma